Good afternoon, this is Richard with Alpha Environmental Services. Today is Friday, the 10th of February. It's approximately 2:40 in the afternoon. We are at 11795 Southwest Tierra Linda Street in the Cedar Hills area, Beaverton, Oregon. We are inside the house. We're in the garage. This is a cast iron cleanout right here. It looks like a 4-inch one. We're going to access this and push to the street. And get down here, level off. Now we're going to do 0. And I'm going to go silent on you. We're going forward now. We're starting out here in cast iron. We're about 8 feet here, and there's either a junction or some other reason, but it does appear to be cracked. We're at 34, 35 feet here. Looks like there's a little bit of damage on this piece of line. We'll take a look at it better when the water's turned off. We're at about 70 feet here, and we're getting a lot of resistance and wanting to move forward. So we're going to pause and go see if we can locate where the camera head is.
Is there a longer one, or?
Well, we're about 70 feet out. We're under the sidewalk or the right-of-way in front of the neighbor's house over here, headed towards a known manhole. We're going to see if we can do something such as flush or something that might give us a little push of water here. Okay? So I'm going to pause again right here. Please wait. We have paused here at this point, and now we're going to pull back to see if we could see anything significant. Please hold. We're going to go silent. We are in 6-inch concrete. We're at 34 feet here, and it does seem that there's more water coming in at, beyond this joint than what we have before this joint, and the water seems to be coming out of the right. Maybe that's a tie-in, but it is, I cannot make the camera point in the direction that I want, but this is at a joint, and it would be kind of odd to have a entrance right at a joint. It's typically in an elbow. So we'll make a note of that. So I'm going to go pause this, go out in the yard, and locate this point. We have located that point out in the yard. Notice we're about 35 feet out, and it's approximately 10 foot down where we marked, and it's out in the yard. Here we are at 28 feet, and looks like we have some more water coming in at this point. So we're going to go out and locate and mark this. Please hold. Again, we have marked that. It's out in the yard. So now we're going to go and pull back some more. That was about 28 feet. We have another joint right here. This is 18 feet. See the gasket right there? Don't know if there's an issue here exactly, but since I've got the camera in the line here, we'll go locate that. Please hold. I've located that joint, and then we're going to go ahead and pull back. And it's out in the yard, about 6 foot deep. Okay. Oh, let me go silent. We have another joint here at 6-7 feet. I'll go see where this one is. We have marked that joint. It looks like it's underneath the concrete stairs of the house. And now we're going to pull back some more. We've got another joint not too far from the other joint, so I'm not going to mark it. It's not that far from the other joint, maybe a foot or two. However, this is about where some pooling starts, so I'm going to, or ends, as you would like, and so I'm going to pull back to the next point. This point, which is at about 3-4 feet, should be well, just the other side of the house here. So we'll go take a look and see where that is, and see if I need to mark it. So that point, that joint is located just the other side of the concrete stairs towards the nice bush. So we're going to pull back some more. So we're back to the cast iron clean out. Notice that it's showing about a -1 foot. That happens sometimes, but just so you know where we're at. Okay? Thank you. this concludes our video sewer scope here at this house today. We went out approximately 70 feet where it just would not push anymore. Coming back, we found a few joints and we made note of them. Then we will describe them in the report and the possible repairs as necessary. Thank you. You see water